What is going on, guys? It has been a while since I've been on this channel, but I want to jump on here and just let you know that I've got the X-Carve completed. I just made my first cut. Let me show you. So this is the first cut. Now this on the side over here, I had the measurements off, and so the bit ran off. I guess this part here was going to be this. I'm not real sure, but anyway, so I re-measured everything and brought it back into easel and got it going. So anyway, cool deal. I got that finished, so I'm excited about that. So I don't know what kind of projects that I'll have coming up with the X-Carve, but I plan on incorporating it into my workflow and that kind of thing. So yeah, that is something new in the shop. Now I've got to find what to do with the miter saw. I think what I'm going to do is just leave it on that cart and put it up against the wall. Now over here, all of this, excuse this, but all of this wood over here, I've got to find another place for that. I think I have enough room in one of my storage rooms on the other side of that wall that I can keep a lot of my plywood and that kind of stuff. But I've got some more storage on the lumber rack for that eco poplar that I had left over, and some of the other like my door board and that kind of thing can probably live up here. But I want to clean out that corner to give me a little more wall space to put these tools back where they go. Getting all this, fixed up and assembled and all that, I've got a bunch of junk over here just piled up, just in the way. So I've got to get my shop back in order. I'm just glad that I've got the CNC behind me now. I can start using it and get all these boxes out of here and just kind of clean up a little bit. But here, that drawer unit that was over there, you guys remember that, right? So I put it here. I left these little legs on here. I don't know what I'll do with that just yet, but I left it on here for now. But I've got like a little work area here now. I'm gonna put some pulls on this, but I've got if I can get my camera to be still. But I've got right now just screwdrivers and pliers and that kind of thing in here. And then on this side, that's where my screws and all that live. So it's right here below the drills. So that's going to be working out pretty good. I've got some Kaizen foam coming to go in here to kind of organize, like this and other things. So I'll be organizing this. I've got a plan for this little unit here and that unit there. If you guys are interested, it's over on the website, Modular Shop Storage System. But it's been coming in pretty handy. I designed it. It's got like 3 inches of depth in those drawers, so those little gray bins fit just right in there. So anyway, that's where that's living now. And let's see, what else have I done since I've updated you guys? I mean, roughly that's about it. I mean, I've changed some things on the wall and that kind of thing. But one thing I do want to let you guys know is that the podcast live stream that I was doing over on my main channel, I'm going to move it over here to this channel. I think I was talking to a couple of people and just seeing the interaction over there on the main channel. Been getting some unsubscribes and that kind of thing. I guess just because the people that are subscribed there, and I know you guys are too, but the majority of those folks just want to see build videos, and that's fine. That's what that channel's for. So I think what I'm going to do is just start doing the live stream on this channel because I mean, you guys, here on this channel are, like I've said before, my core followers or viewers, and so I think you guys will appreciate it more here on this channel than over there. So not a big deal. I think it'll work out better in the long run. So be looking for the live streams here on this channel. So if you are subscribed here, hit that little bell and then you'll get notifications when I go live. Now I may start uploading these videos more regularly too, so if that little bell is going to bother you if I upload a lot of these videos, then don't do that. Just whatever you want to do. But I think as far as a lot of this, updates on the X-Carve, if I do, if I have upgrades or if I've got a project going on, I'll jump on here, do a quick video like I've done in the past. I'm really confused about the IGTV, the Instagram TV. I'm not confused, but I don't know how I would incorporate it into my content. It seems like that I could have very easily just used that platform for what I was doing here every day, but I like this wide view rather than the vertical view that Instagram offers. But who knows? I'll upload some things over there. I'm not real sure what they'll be. I may even do some of the CNC stuff over there on IGTV. Just, I don't know, to have some content over there, and because not everybody wants to see this stuff, especially while this thing is running. So that may be something that I do with IGTV with Instagram is the X-Carve. I'm not 100% on that. So, so anyway, I've got that going on. Let me show you a couple of things that I got in the mail. Be right back. Let's see if I can grab these things. So, if you guys follow Matt Plumley over on Instagram at Got Wood Workshop. There's his logo. I got these little inserts, the zero clearance inserts. So this is for the Delta 36725 table saw. I haven't put these in yet. I'm planning on it, but he's got one, and so I'm assuming that he did all the tests and everything before he started selling these. But I forget who I saw that had one of these and said it worked well. So I'm excited about trying this out and seeing how it works. But I went ahead and got another one for a dado stack. So I'll be using this for the dado, using this for zero clearance for my just regular blade. And then also George Vondriska, if you guys don't follow him on Instagram, I got one of his books, CNC Router Essentials. I'm sure that he has these over on his website. If you guys are into CNCs, go check out George Vondriska's Instagram or website. Let me see if I can find a website. I didn't even look. But you could probably just go to Instagram and search for George Vondriska. There's his name right here. Look him up on Instagram, and if you're interested in a CNC book, this is a pretty good one. Just kind of glance through it, and it looks like it has a lot of details and instructions and tutorials and that kind of thing. So, really good stuff. It's a nice book too. Anyway, that is the majority of what's going on. I do want to make a comment on the CNC dust collection. I've got it hooked up to my shop vac, and it works pretty good. Now, what I showed you a few minutes ago, my first project, that's the only thing I've carved. But for that little deal, I didn't have any dust on the, maybe just a little bit, maybe a few little specks here and there, but that was it. So I hope on bigger projects that it works just as well. So we'll find out for sure on that. Anyway, all right, guys, I wanted to, like I said, jump on here, say what's up, kind of give you an update. Let me know in the comments what you think about putting the podcast live stream over here on this channel, and what you think about Instagram TV. You know, what kind of content would you like to see over there? Would you like to see some of that stuff over there on Instagram, or just whatever? Let me know. Good to talk to you again, and see you soon.